Crystal clear waters, white sandy beaches, and lush green forests, Fiji is the quintessential tropical paradise. But how do you explore this idyllic destination without breaking the bank? Let's dive into the best travel deals for your next Fiji vacation. Timing is everything. Avoid the high season from June to September if you're looking for a bargain. Instead, aim for the shoulder season, April to May or October to November, for pleasant weather and better prices. Or brave the wetter months from December to March when airfare and accommodations hit rock-bottom prices. Flights can be the biggest expense, but flexibility is your friend. Altering travel dates can lead to significant savings. Consider budget airlines, special group rates, and flying into Nadi International Airport. Don't shy away from layovers. They might just lead to cheaper tickets. Always compare prices across different airlines and booking platforms. For accommodations, hostels offer dorm rooms from 20 to 30 Fijian dollars per night, with private rooms at a slightly higher cost. Guest houses are another wallet-friendly option, starting at 50 to 70 Fijian dollars. Traveling with a group? Vacation rentals might be the most economical choice, averaging 100 Fijian dollars per night. Embrace Fiji's natural and cultural wealth with free or discounted activities. Trek through the jungles, lounge on pristine beaches, or snorkel in the clear waters. Cultural village visits and local festivals offer immersive experiences at little to no cost. And when hunger strikes, hit the local markets for fresh, affordable fare or cook your own meals with local ingredients. Remember, the best experiences in Fiji don't always come with a hefty price tag. Book with a Fiji specialist at Far and Away Adventures.